The Motorcycle Diaries is a memoir by Ernesto Che Guevara that chronicles his 1952 journey across South America with his friend Alberto Granado. At the age of 23, Ernesto, a medical student, and Alberto, a biochemist, set off from Buenos Aires on an old motorcycle they dubbed La Poderosa, the Mighty One. Their plan is to explore the continent they love, but their trip quickly becomes a profound journey of self-discovery and social awakening. Their adventure begins with excitement and camaraderie as they navigate through Argentina, Chile, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. The initial days are filled with the thrill of travel, the beauty of landscapes, and encounters with diverse people. However, as they travel deeper into the heart of South America, they begin to witness the harsh realities faced by the impoverished and marginalized communities. This exposure profoundly impacts Ernesto, stirring a sense of injustice and a growing awareness of social inequalities. In Chile, they experience the struggles of mine workers and indigenous people, whose labor and lives are exploited. The traveler's interactions with these workers lay bare the stark divide between the wealthy and the poor. Ernesto and Alberto's own hardships, such as mechanical failures and scarce funds, force them to rely on the kindness of strangers, further deepening their connection with the local populace. Their journey takes a significant turn in Peru, where they visit the ancient Incan city of Machu Picchu. The ruins evoke in Ernesto a reflection on the potential of indigenous cultures and the devastation wrought by colonialism. It is here that he begins to envision a united Latin America, free from oppression and exploitation. A pivotal moment occurs at the San Pablo Lepa colony in Peru, where Ernesto and Alberto volunteer. Witnessing the suffering of the lepers, Ernesto is moved by their resilience and humanity despite being ostracized by society. His medical background allows him to assist in treating the patients, fostering a sense of solidarity and compassion. This experience cements his resolve to fight for social justice and dedicate his life to helping the disenfranchised. Throughout their journey, Ernesto's writing captures not only the physical landscapes but also the emotional and intellectual landscapes he traverses. The beauty of the Andes, the vastness of the Amazon, and the vibrancy of the people contrasts sharply with the poverty and oppression they encounter. These contrasts fuel Ernesto's growing conviction that systemic change is necessary to achieve true equality and justice. By the end of their journey, both men are transformed. Alberto continues his work in medicine, but Ernesto's path is irrevocably altered. He returns to Buenos Aires to complete his medical studies, but the seeds of revolution have been planted. The experiences and insights gained during this journey shape his future as a revolutionary leader, eventually becoming the iconic figure known as Che Guevara. The Motorcycle Diaries is more than a travelogue. It is a narrative of personal and political awakening. Ernesto's encounters with the people and landscapes of South America reveal to him the interconnectedness of humanity and the urgent need for social change. His journey from a carefree traveler to a committed revolutionary underscores the powerful impact of first-hand experiences in shaping one's beliefs and actions. The memoir not only documents a transformative journey but also serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring struggles for justice and equality. Ernesto's reflections, filled with empathy and determination, inspire readers to consider their own roles in addressing social injustices. Through his eyes, we see the vibrant spirit of Latin America and the profound ways in which travel can broaden one's horizons and ignite a lifelong commitment to making a difference in the world.